My name is Sean, and today I'll be writing a Java program that uses Scene Builder to create a graphical user interface to ask the user to enter their name, their phone number, and then whenever the user enters 0, the program will end. So to do that, I have my imports. I have an action event import for a button, fxml to get the IDs of the fields of the graphic user interface, and the text field and label field get ID. I get the value of the text from the fields from the interface. So to do, I'm gonna go ahead and create my class, public class, call this phone controller. Then go ahead, use annotation fxml private text field and text name. And I can just copy this and do the same thing for the phone field, phone number field, and just change the name to text phone. And I need another one. It's gonna be a label for the message. And rename it to message. Go ahead and create my method, handle submit. In parameters, we're gonna have action event, public void. Then our name will equal the value of the string, equal the value of the text name field. To do that, use the method get text and just do the same thing for the phone field. And we can go ahead and check if the user entered 0 for the name field. So to do that, we're going to say name that equals 0. So enter. We're going to return 0. I'm going to set the message to done. Return 0, just return. Then if the user did not enter 0, we're going to set the message with the set message method to their name. Then we can clear the fields so the user know that they're that the button was pressed. Text phone that clear. Alright, that will be used as the prompt so the user know they can enter another name. Okay, done that right now. Now we can move to our. We can set up this right here. Create our scene. Do that. We're gonna say scene equal new scene, and then we're gonna say loader that load. Set the stage, title, phone entry, and set stage, and set the scene stage. displayed. Stage show. Now we can go ahead over here to our scene builder, make ourselves some space. Now the first thing I'm going to do is drag a border pane. Then I'm going to drag a vertical box or a V box into the center. Then I'm going to drag a label and 2 text fields. And also a button. For the text fields. And the button. Now we can align these. First thing we want to get at is the label. And I'm just going to put welcome. Set the font. Now we can go ahead and set the margin. Left to 250. Somewhere to the bottom 50. Then now we can move to our text field. First add some margin to the bottom 30. To the left 30. Right. Then inside, I'll probably use enter their name. And then I'll go move to another text field and do the same thing. Enter your number. And then set the margins. Move on to the button. Now we can go ahead and add our IDs and code. So the button doesn't have an ID, but it has a handle submit method that is called whenever an event is, whenever a user press the button. Move on to our text field. Just gonna add an ID for the first. For the phone field, we're gonna call it text phone. For the name field, I'm gonna call it txt phone. And then for the welcome, I'll call it message. Then now, need to add our controller right here. So FX controller. For example, that phone controller. There, you should go ahead and run it. It should be good. And here we have it. I can enter my name and my number. Did I add the handle submit? Okay, this need to change the text name. Okay, should be good now. Okay, let me try it again. Enter my name and my number. There I have it, name Rashad. And if I enter 0, it says done.